A day in our life in Alta.
Good morning! For today's video, we're going to church. It's Mother's Day, guys, so I'm just gonna take you with us. And we're running late na nga, guys. We're just waiting for our mommy and we'll get going. So, come with us! So, after church, guys, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, update na lang namin kayo.
Guys, we're gonna go a quick stop over sa Gates Bird Sanctuary. Okay, guys. Nagtalo pa kami kung Gates Sanctuary or Bird Sanctuary. Pareho naman pala, guys. So, see ya!
Isasama ko siya sa vlog natin for Mother's Day. Tapos, sasabihin mo lang sa akin. May mga question lang ako sa'yo. Hi guys! So, ngayon, Mother's Day. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kerryword Nature Center with my mom here. Dahil Mother's Day ngayon, may mga question tayo sa kanya. So, Mami, kamusta naman ang pagiging nanay sa amin ni Bea?
Okay naman kasi mas manudit.
Inubo siya, guys! Dito, wait lang. Ito yung framing. Guys, parang hindi totoo. Inubo siya. Ulit.
Kasi na may interview pa.
Oo.
Ayun yung sagot mo doon. Nung bata pa kami, nahirapan ka?
Hindi naman kasi alam niyo to si Cassie.
Ako agad.
Itlog lang okay na sa kanya. Ito si Bea mahilig sa chicken. Kaya caring na yun.
Ikaw, ano paborito mo?
Eh di ito.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's
Day! Kerrywood na Kerrywood.
Yes!
Plus.
Happy Mother's Day!
Mahilig sa lakos at mga
Open mo na!
Kerrywood.
Hawakan ko muna to.
Hindi pala! Parang hindi lakos to, guys.
Open mo na! Oh, tatagal ang bacon na!
Oh my gosh, guys. It's a long
Yan.
time.
Diba hindi ko na hinirapan yung question?
Kaya nga, guys. Ang Diyos ko, guys. Maiyak ako yata dito.
Kasi naiiyak.
Kasi unexpected.
Ako rin, file yung nasa loob niya.
Oo nga, papeles yan. Titulo yan.
Sinisipon yata ako.
Guys, titulo to.
Oh,
Title
title
ng land to.
pala to, title, guys.
Malay mo soon, di natin masasabi, diba?
Oh my God, my God, my God.
Basa.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We love you.
Yes. Sige, open mo na. Open mo na.
Unexpected talaga, guys.
Oh.
Bilay mo lang to.
Teary eyes ako.
Ano?
Oh, yeah. Kasi sabi namin wala nang regalo.
Alam ko kasi gusto mo yan.
Hindi na nila matiis.
Wala na ginawa niya. Text ng text.
Okay.
Bagay sa
Gamitin mo na ngayon.
Happy Mother's Day.
Bagay sa outfit ko.
Ano mas maganda pag excited.
Okay, guys. Na-surprise si Mami sa ating question and
Na-surprise
answer.
talaga ako.
Happy
Sabi
Mother's
ko,
Day! Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there!
Yeah, thank you.
Ganda ng flowers.
Ganda ng flowers, guys. Oh,
Tired kasi we're gonna go camping soon. Kailangan natin protektahan ng ating mother.
Security?
office
Is it safe? Is it safe?
Guys, naghahanap na kami nung ilalagay namin sa likod ng SUV. Sabi hardware wall daw. So, hanapin natin siya. Then guys, dahil nawala namin yung paddle last summer, kailangan namin bumili ng bago. Ito na lang, tapos tinitingnan ko kung meron talaga dito yung bibili namin. Ito ata yun guys. Ito siya. Okay guys, para sa windshield naman. Next na uli ang ating shopping. Quick stop lang. Hi!
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay guys, nandito na kami ngayon. Thank you.
Mami, roses for you.
Request ko yung nice. restaurant gave mommy a pink peony flowers. Yes, happy Mother's Day.
Your favorite color is pink.
Sorry? Hey, that's. How do you like your snake cook?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Kamusta naman ang araw nyo?
Ito.
1 hour sleep.
Nagdulo.
How about the Mother's Day?
I have cups.
Okay, so kapag kakain kayo dito, meron siyang complimentary sourdough bread. Ayan, i-try nyo na. Appetizer time. Wow, wine girl. Wala pang steak. Hanapin wine na.
Ito ba manghang to?
I got the white wine.
Ay, naku. Bubo.
Yummers.
That's of course. The rest on the way here. Enjoy your evening.
Yeah.
Here. Sorry about my reach. Plate's a little bit hot, so be careful with that.
I think that's mine, right?
It's okay. Oh, there's
No,
Ooh,
Enjoy.
thank
Oo,
you.
sa'yo may mushroom.
I'm not gonna eat that one.
Bakit may mushroom ka? May ba ito sa'yo?
Ito pala pinagkain mo. Parang kay mommy, parang amin. Pinagsama.
Mash to siya, mash.
Guys, we're done with our meal. Super satisfied naman kami. So,
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
bye!